we're gonna make my Oreo homemade ice cream pie. Now, today we're gonna start with the crust. To start with the crust, we need to get our Oreo. Now, I have added 4 tablespoons of butter, and it was partially liquid, and added it to the Oreos in a grease pan. Now, I need to mix it and then put and press down. Hello, now we're back. We're gonna do the ice cream. Now, we need 1 can of condensed sweetened milk. Pour it in right there. Ooh, that kind of looks good. Now, we're gonna add 1 pint of heavy whipping cream. And now, we're gonna mix it with this mixer. Now, we're gonna put 1 other pint of whipping cream for the whipped cream. Now, we're gonna put 4 tablespoons of sugar. And now we're gonna put a little bit of vanilla. Great timing. I'm just assembling the pie. It already frozen for 30 minutes and freeze it again for about 30-25 minutes. Our Oreo homemade ice cream pie is done. Thank you.